share with you my sewing haul from two shops in South Shields. One is called BST Fabrics. They are in a small industrial estate just outside the city centre, and a small haul from Boys. Now, I went to these, I was only supposed to go to BST, and I did get exactly what it is I wanted from them, because I am starting an 1890s Hogwarts uniform. So this is everything I need just for the skirt in here. So I'm going to do this one bit at a time. So I'm going to share videos on each piece I make. There's going to be the skirt, obviously. There will be a plain white shirtwaist with pintocks. There will also be a vest that I haven't quite finished the colours. I haven't quite chosen the colours yet. I know it'll be black on the outside. I need to decide like line and buttons. So anyway, let's get on with our little bag of tricks, shall we? Just my receipts. Also picked up some extras from BST because it turned out they had a pattern sale on, so I will share those at the end. So yeah, here we go. So of course we have our iron-on interfacing, 1 meter. We have this lovely like golden lining for the inside of our skirt. There's, I believe, 5 meters of this. Now, of course, like prices and links for the store for BST, at least, in the description below. So we have our interface and our lining, and of course we have, oh, this is heavy. So this is just a basic polyester lining. I think it's polyester. I'll have to double check, but it was only £1 a meter, and I got 5, as the pattern calls. And this is 6 meters of plain black cotton fabric. It's lovely. It's got that perfect feel for a skirt. So, and it's quite heavy. I have 6 meters of this. That is what my Laughing Moon pattern calls for. I will tell you which one it is and grab it. Yeah, so it is, find a piece of paper. It is the Laughing Moon 101 Victorian walking skirt. It is a 5-go skirt with 3 lengths, so you can have the walking skirt length, which some of you might have seen on Instagram. I've actually just completed it, a mock-up. I messed it up. I will explain why when I come around to do this one. I'll tell you that. It also comes with a short train length and a long train option. Some of you might have seen on Instagram of me posting about getting the pattern printed, stuck together, cut out. So yeah, so this will be our main skirt with our lining and of course my interfacing. So there's that. Also got some trim to go on the bottom of the skirt. So I have this lovely red shiny ribbon, because of course I am a Gryffindor, and on top of that I am going to lay this down the middle, nice gold ribbon down the middle, somewhere on the bottom of the skirt, probably around about where I end up hemming it. The only problem is I was able to get the 10 meters of this I wanted in case I decide to use it elsewhere, because I am thinking of making a ribbon chatelaine. I hope I've said that right. If not, I apologize. But there was only about 4 and a bit meters of this one. No, there was 5 meters of this one. So hopefully it's enough to at least do the skirt, but we'll see when that happens. So yeah, that is everything I got for the skirt. Moving on to the extras I picked up in there. They had a half price pattern sale on, so I got 3. And we have this one, This is Simplicity 8199, and it was £5.50 instead of 11. Notice this one, the sleeves on here and this hood. I love a big hood. So we have that one. Then we have another costume one, which is 8480. And if you know me, you know why I picked this up. I am a huge nerd. One of my favourite all-time shows. Should never have been cancelled in my personal opinion. Firefly. Absolutely love this show. Love Zoe. So I've been eyeing that one up. That was £6 instead of 12. That one. And this one I've had my eye on since I started sewing, because can you, for love nor money, find geeky workout clothes here in the UK? Or at least I personally can't find any, at least not licensed ones. But I found this pattern, and this pattern was £5.50 instead of 11, and it's Wonder Woman. What could be better? So this I have had my eye on. It is a Simplicity. It is 8631. And I cannot wait to make any of this, because I just love Wonder Woman. Yes, I'm a nerd. Yes, I like DC. Yes, I like Marvel. Deal with it. I'm also a Harry Potter fan. I do not condone the author. I do not like what she has to say or her beliefs. But I fully support the entertainment industry. I support the films and the crew and the actors. Author can go either way. Anyway, so these are my bargains from BST Fabrics in South Shields. I hope you like them. I cannot wait to get started. I'm loving my mock-up, even though I need to do a little adjustment. So yes, this is from BST. So, moving on to boys. I only went in there to see if I could get more of this golden ribbon, because I did go into Knit and Pearl in South Shields Marketplace. They didn't have what I was after, but I did go into boys. First thing I got was Jewel Bond, because it's not me unless it's glittery. And no, I won't be adding glitter. I am adding a chatelaine, so technically it's box. I also got this because I'm using black fabric, and I have yet to find a light coloured marker friction pen that's going to work. I haven't tested this out on here yet, but I got this as well. It is a water soluble 3mm white pen. Hoping it works. Check. See if I can find the salvage. If I can find the salvage, I'll have a little check. There's the salvage. It might work. We'll see. And that is right on the salvage, so don't freak out on it. Yeah, I mean a mess. The other thing I found in boys were buttons. We had 5 cards of buttons for £1. So after a little bit of digging, I managed to get all of these. It took a little rummaging to find everything, but I found these nice antique gold with like a little shield. These ones have little shields on as well, and these like decorative filigree silvery ones, which I thought would be quite nice. Haven't quite decided. If I do the vest to go with this, I might use these because I do have 12, and I think the pattern calls for 12. I'd have to check because I haven't actually got the pattern yet from, again, Laughing Moon. The shirtwear pattern will also be coming from them. So yeah, my little fabric haul. just for this project. I know, I got extras. But hey, we all do it. You do it. I do it. Collecting craft supplies is a hobby in itself. Hit that bell to be notified of my next video, which will be the skirt making. I will set up a highlight reel just for this outfit. Bye for now. Bye.